the new government is really concerned about the debt. So that's why he tried to have taxation. But I think for the time being, the taxation concern is really about the private investors, the wealthy people, where they have to have 75% of high-level revenues. But for the companies, I'm not sure. They know that, I mean, the market is there, and they know that they have the market is got some constraint, and it's not sure they will impact a lot on the companies. It's too early to say what will be the effect. But we have already François Mitterrand for 15 years in France, and it didn't change a lot. I mean, the market is really the predominant scenes.
Okay, thanks. Francois, is that your kind of view as well?
I would certainly have the same view here. I believe that I don't think it's going to be a major change, perhaps on the tax side, obviously, but I guess it's going to be pretty much the same in the rest of continental Europe. Not sure about the UK, but you guys know that much better. I think, however, that if the president actually is going to spend a bit more money than the previous one, like he announced it during the campaign, it is likely that the spread that we were talking about might actually reduce, or might actually increase, sorry, here at some point. But other than that, I think in the short term that might be one of the impacts. But I think in the medium to long term, I don't see any major change. I mean, like you said, I mean, we had a socialist president for 15 years, and business was actually perhaps better during this period than over the last 20 or 15 years, I would say. So I think it's pretty good for the economy in the medium to long term. So I don't see any major problem here.
There is a favouring towards London just now, but Paris is becoming more attractive, I think, in the next 6 to 12 months. With regard, obviously, to the taxation and the sort of the trends in Paris, that's not so much my expertise as these gentlemen. But I think that what we've seen in London and the demand from international funds into the London market is going to be moving out into Paris and the German cities over the next 6 to 12 months. Okay. So I think it'll be good news for Paris.
For them, political risk is less of an issue.
And
Philippe, yeah.
Just one comment, in fact, because I agree with all, but I think that if you have the look at the communication when Hollande was in, I think it was just on communication and marketing, in fact, and there is no difference between Hollande and the right and the left in France. And above that, the real estate and also the development real estate in France represents something like 20% of the unemployment and around 20% of the GOP in value added. So I think that it is very important for the state to maintain the activity in this time, in fact, just because there is too big part of the economy.